Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both tools and data. First, collect authentic calligraphy pieces and scan at 300 dpi so strokes remain crisp, then crop and clean backgrounds. After that, label each image with stroke type, direction, and relative pressure to teach the model the how and why behind characters. Once done, install Python and a deep learning framework, PyTorch or TensorFlow, create a virtual environment, and verify your GPU drivers, because training will rely on GPU acceleration for reasonable speed. You now design the architecture and handle preprocessing. Use a CNN encoder to extract texture and form, then an LSTM decoder or transformer to sequence strokes. This combination captures both shape and stroke order. Preprocess images by normalizing contrast, augmenting about 20% with small rotations and scale jitter, and convert shapes to stroke vectors for generation. Define a compound loss, reconstruction with perceptual or adversarial terms, to balance sharpness and stylistic fidelity. You complete the process with iterative training and careful refinement. Train while validating every epoch, save best checkpoints, and review rendered strokes often, because visual inspection catches issues metrics miss. Once trained, smooth and vectorize outputs, then export SVG or stroke sequences. Make human-in-the-loop adjustments for final polish so calligraphy feels intentional. If outputs appear jittery or unstable, reduce the learning rate. Increase augmentation and recheck labels. Noise there often causes poor stroke consistency, so fix data before retraining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.